I'd rather have Jesus than silver or gold. I'd rather be His than have riches untold. I'd rather have Jesus than houses or lands. I'd rather be led by His nail-pierced hand than to be the king of a vast domain and be held in sin's dread way. I'd rather have Jesus than anything this world affords today. Mwen pito gen Jezu, pase kwa l'ajan. Mwen pito pali, pasen ta riche toutan. Mwen pito gen Jezu, pase pi bel kay. Pito li guide mwen a tout bagay. Pase pou mtawa nan yon gran peyi. Le peche mta fen soufri. Mwen pito gen Jezu, pase tout bagay que le monde ta ka pa bay.